Hello everyone, my name is Josh and welcome to another show-off/review video. Are you looking to upgrade the quality of your YouTube videos? Today we're taking a look at the best dimmable LED lighting kit that comes with softboxes from Amazon. If you're ready, let's get right into it. I went to Amazon and searched for an LED lighting kit. The reason being is I don't want to deal with halogen bulbs as they may break and not so convenient to move around. Also, the LEDs are supposed to be cooler than my Home Depot work lights. The lighting kit that I picked up is from a company called Safstar. It is pretty generic. And I see another company on Amazon selling this under the name of Emart. I will put the links in the description box down below so you guys can go check them out yourself. The kit comes with a carrying bag which holds everything together. It also comes with two cardboard boxes that you will use to store your LED machines. I opt to get a kit that uses an outlet as its power supply, as I prefer not to complicate my life with more batteries, and I'm planning to use this kit just here in my studio. The 168 pieces of LEDs are covered with a plastic diffuser which also helps protecting it. Setting it up is somewhat easy. I figured it out within a couple of minutes. It doesn't come with instructions, so let me show you what I do. So you have the reflector, the LED machine, and the rods. And you'll see in here they have holes right here. That's where you're gonna stick the rod in. You're gonna stick the end of the rod that has metal in it, okay? You'll stick it in the holes. So you'll stick one on the top right corner and then the bottom left corner. Stick the end of the rod to this slot in the reflector like this, and then I do it on bottom right corner here. So stick it here and then just make sure they're bending, and as you can see it starts to take shape. Ta-da! That's it, and then you just tighten the velcros right here. This is very basic stand. Stick it right here. The reflector is pretty reflective. Nice. The color temperature is rated at 5500 Kelvin, which gives me a pretty accurate color representation. Please note that there is another kit available from the same brand that gives you the option to a warmer temperature light. I'll also link that in the description down below. Throw the 20 by 27 inches softbox over it, the lighting becomes softer and very well diffused. In my experience, the machines don't get too hot, so I don't mind grabbing it over the handle in the back of the machines. The star of the feature here is the ability for users to adjust how bright or dim the light's being projected. It's very impressive that they added this feature at this price point. The downside is the material being used, which is too much plastic. I even have mine cracked upon arrival. And the hinges are not reassuring at all, so be careful with them. You're looking at the image quality that you can produce only by using these softboxes and your iPhone with some attachment lens. It fits perfectly within my beginner budget. If you subscribe to my channel and sharing it with your friends, in the future I'll be able to afford better light boxes. That's all I have for this video. Remember to check them out using the links I have in the description box down below. It would help the channel so much. I am trying to push more content for you at least weekly. As always guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and comment down below. Consider subscribing and I'll see you next time. My name is Josh. Peace out.